Here's how you can stake, vote, and earn up to 31% APR on the UMA voting dApp. What's up, everybody? I'm Thompson from OSPN, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can stake, vote, and earn up to 31% APR using the UMA voting dApp. Here are a few things you might want to have in context. Each voting period lasts 48 hours, 24 hours presumable for the committing of the vote. This enables you to commit your vote in a way of encryption, and then the next 24 hours to decrypt or reveal your vote before we move to the claim period. Now, the reason why UMA uses the commit and review voting scheme is to enable voters remain private, which is a core priority. First thing you want to do is head straight to vote.uma.xyz and then connect your wallets. For this video, I'm going to use my MetaMask. Once your wallet is connected, the next thing you want to do is proceed to stake your UMA token. Here you can see on my screen that I have staked 0 of my 5.90 UMA tokens I have remaining, and then I have voted in 0. I have voted in 0 votes and earned up to 0% APR. I've not earned anything at all. I have unclaimed 0 UMA rewards, so we can dive right into that and click on stake. I'm going to stake 5 of my UMA token. Now, you must know that you cannot claim any token that you have staked already until you have submitted an unstaking request that will last for 7 days. So here I'm gonna stake 5 UMA and check on. I understand that one stake I will not be able to claim my tokens till after 7 days, and then I'll approve it. It's gonna prompt a transaction in my wallet, which I'm gonna sign here. So I'm gonna sign this and approve this transaction. It's currently approving my transaction. Approved. So now I can stake this. I'll proceed to stake, and then another transaction is going to pop up so that I can stake my 5 UMA. Now that we have our UMA token stake, we can now proceed to vote on these votes. So we have an active vote, and the time remaining to commit our vote is 10 hours. Remember, I told you that each voting cycle takes 48 hours, 24 hours to commit your vote, and 24 hours to review your vote before you can claim based on the results of the vote. Now we're going to vote on this particular dispute. This is Deadpool and Wolverine, over $600 million by Labor Day. Now this is a discussion. We'll get to go through it for more context, and here are the details. It's a yes or no query, so you get to vote. It's under the optimistic Oracle V2 on Polygon, and in this case I'm just going to add my votes. Let's play around a little bit. Choose your answer right here. I'm going to say yes and sign. See, it's confirmed. Now it's going to prompt a message on my MetaMask where I get to sign this transaction to add my vote. Now I would commit my votes, which will bring out the new transaction. Another thing you need to know is that if you vote accurately, you get to receive a bonus. But if you voted inaccurately or failed to vote, there will be a penalty added to your stake. In this case, the penalty amount will be redistributed among accurate voters. Now, the emissions are 0.18 UMA per second, while the missed vote penalty would be 0.05 of your staked balance. Now, the correct answer would be the total number of votes. For instance, if all the voters or majority of the voters voted yes, that would be the correct vote. If all the total number of voters voted no, that would be the correct answer, no. Now, your emission rewards begin to accrue immediately you stake your UMA tokens, and you can claim that by hitting claim. If you voted accurately, you will receive a bonus, and then you can see that bonus right here. If you voted currently, it's showing 0 UMA because I have not committed my vote, but I still have UMA percentage that are occurring to my balance. Now you can compound your UMA by claiming and restaking your rewards, which is very, very good, or you can claim straight to your wallet. Whichever choice you decide to make would be yours. So you need to know that rewards associated with voting successfully are automatically added to your stake balance once the voting period ends. I'm just gonna go ahead and add my votes and say yes for this. Your Devon's Chandler win. Now you can choose no, and you see it's showing P1. You can choose yes, which is P2, an unknown P3, and then early request P4. I'm going to tell you more about what P1, P2, P3, and P4 means. And now you can add a custom answer if you want to. But just for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to go ahead and say, so I'm just going to say yes here as well. We're going to move to the next step, which will be to commit our votes. Now, to do that, you just have to click commit. It's going to prompt a message on your MetaMask so you can sign the transaction around this. Now, you can see the estimated fee is $2.4. It's currently committing 3 votes. Now, I've successfully committed 3 votes, and you can view them on Etherscan if you want to see the transactions. Congratulations, we have 19 more hours to start revealing the votes. Now remember that if you do not come back to this page to review your votes, your voting process will be incomplete. Now remember I mentioned that I was going to tell you what P1, P2, P3, P4 and what the unknown means. Now P1 corresponds to no, P2 corresponds to yes, and P3 corresponds to unknown, which is 50-50, and P1 is equal to 0, P2 is equal to 1, and P3 is equal to 0.5 in this case. So one thing you want to do is join the Discord and get started with the discussions, learn more about all of this disputes from Polymarket. That way you can have a little bit more context on what you are voting on. It's going to drive your answers and all of that, so you start voting. Now you can see the commit phase is over, and we have 19 hours here to reveal our votes, and I voted yes on all of the votes. The status is currently showing not reviewed, so we're just going to go ahead and review this, and should prompt a message on my wallets. Now I'm going to confirm this. You see it's revealing 3 votes currently. You can see all of this transaction on Etherscan when you're done with them. So now let's see what the result of this vote is to know if we voted accurately. Just gonna go ahead and find more details. You can see the result was yes. 100% voted yes. Now the minimum amount here you can see on my screen for these votes to be finalized would be 5 million, but it passed the quorum, so the total was 6.7 million and it passed. I'm gonna go ahead to see the result for this. Now majority voted yes, which was the accurate vote, so we get to receive reward for our vote after this. Now the result for this one as well is yes. The total number here voted yes. Now we're going to wait for the review phase to be over before we can be able to claim our reward for this voting process. So that is exactly how you can stake, vote, and earn up to 31% APR on the UMA voting dApp. If you did find this video very helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any question, please drop them in the comment section and we'll attend to them. See you on the next one.